In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an eHall pass to go to a location in the building. So I'm logged in here in LCPS Go, and all you have to do up here in the search is type in E and then dash, and you'll find eHall pass. And of course, you can search for it in the midst of all the icons, but this is the fastest way. It has the two arrows going up and down, so go ahead and click on it. And if it's your first time getting in, it'll ask you to log in with ClassLink. So once you press Class Link, you'll be logged into eHall Pass. And I want to give you just a real quick rundown over here on the left-hand side. So you have where you can create a pass, which I'm going to show you how to do. Your active pass, any appointment passes. So teachers can create an appointment pass for you to go see them during resource. And you have some other links down here, but we don't need to worry about those. But we're in the create a pass. So the very first step is to figure out where you are at. So search for teacher location. So you want to search for a teacher. So you're just going to search them by last name and their name will show up here. So then you want to figure out where do you want to go. And so if I want to find a 6th grade restroom, all I have to do is press the number 6 and the 6th grade restroom show up. If I'm in 7th grade, I press 7, and the same thing for 8th grade. And you can see here we have a difference between the back restrooms and the front restrooms. So the back restrooms are all the way in the back of each hallway, right next to the connector hallway. The front restrooms are up by the lockers. So I'm going to go ahead and select the front restrooms. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Create Pass. And it should bring you to a screen that lights up red here. So this is where you have to let your teacher know that you created a pass to use the restroom. And what will happen is your teacher will press the approve button on their end, and your pass will light up green. That means that you are now allowed to go use this restroom. And the clock is ticking. So when you come back, all you have to do is let your teacher know that you're back, and they press end on their screen, and you can watch what happens to your pass. Your pass will be grayed out, and it means that you are now back in class. And so we're using eHall Pass for health mitigation purposes and for safety, really, to know where everybody's at. So it's that easy to create a pass and to use the pass system with eHall Pass.